Hello, Larissa here to talk all about SchoolAI's new chatbot called the Video Explorer. So you are going to go to schoolai.com and click on either sign in or where it says free for teachers. Click on free for teachers. And I've already logged in. You can log in through Google, Microsoft, or just create an account. This is the main page that you'll come to, the launch pad, if you will. To find the Video Explorer chatbot tool, you're going to go up to Spaces. Click on Spaces, then go to Discover. In Discover, you'll see some of the more popular options at the top, like Sidekick, Bell Ringer, and Exit Ticket. We're going to click on Video Explorer. All right, so it brings you to this part where you are actually creating the chatbot here. So in order to do this, we need a video URL. So what this is going to do is allow for the student to watch the video, and it will stop the video every so often and have a discussion with the student about that content. So I teach earth science. I'm going to go over to this video. It's all about plate tectonics, and it's about 10 minutes long. So I'm going to, copy and paste the URL. And what I suggest everyone does is they start the preview first. This just gives you an idea of if it is working correctly. And this is what the student would see, this on the right-hand side. So you press play. So it is going to take some time before it gets to the point where it's going to ask the question. Each of these red spots, that's where the video is going to stop and have that discussion with the student. As you can see, when I started talking to the chatbot, it did start talking back. So they can have a conversation during the video, but the video will stop and ask specific details about, the chatbot will stop and ask specific details about the video. So once you're happy with the results, you can click launch. And it takes a minute to get the code. So this right here is what you're going to give to your students. I usually copy and paste it, but this is what the student end looks like. So they're going to put in their name and click join. This is what it's going to look like on their end, and they're going to be able to discuss this as long as they can press the play button. And as you can see, it's blue. It's blue instead of red on this one. So I've got some of my Screencastify tools in the middle here. Hold on one second. Okay, this is where the chatbot part is on the left-hand side, and the student will talk to the chatbot. And let's just say the student is saying, I don't understand. And I want to show you on the teacher end what it looks like. So the student, let's say you've got 30 students in the class and they're all having this conversation, and you want to know what those conversations look like. Well, SchoolAI has got you covered. So over here, you will have the teacher end with all the data, and you can actually click on the student's conversation to see the entire thing. There's also a little happy face or neutral face or sad face to indicate that that student is doing well or might need help. You can also group students into different groups as to how well they are doing with the content. And you can